Khathi ethula inkulumo kule ngqungquthela uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa utshele izithunywa ezithamelele ngqungquthela ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ikubeke eqhulwini ukubhekana nokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu njengoba kuyinselele enkulu kuleli.
South Africa has identified 4 priorities for its G20 presidency. Our first priority is to take action to strengthen disaster resilience and response.
Lokhu kushaya kuzwele kakhulu emazweni asathuthuka ngakwezomnotho njengoba ukugasela kwezikhukhula kushiya umonakalo omkhulu kwingqalasizinda yomphakathi.
You talk to any African leader, they will tell you that as disaster strikes, as bridges are washed away, as schools and hospitals are washed away with floods, they are not able to rebuild those roads, those bridges with greater ease without imposing a great debt burden on their economies.
Umengameli uphethele inkulumo yakhe ngokunxusa amazwe aphumelele nebhange lomhlaba nezimboni ezizimele ukuba bangenelele ngemali.
Innovative financing and insurance mechanisms must be put in place by the global community, the financial institutions, development banks, and the private sector to scale up funding for disaster prevention,